Hello, this is gonna be my YouTube course for information systems on how to develop product idea and validate that product idea for a marketplace. So when looking at validating a product idea and developing a new product or service or process for the new business market, there are two major categories to look at, and that's in the formation of the idea and the design of the concept. So the idea formation, the concept design. And idea formation, what you're really looking for and aiming to do is to understand what problem are you solving, or who are you solving it for, what need, what want are you providing for the market, for what new product or service idea do you plan to introduce that doesn't currently exist, and what value are you going to be creating. And that's, you can use many approaches. One commonly accepted approach is the business model canvas. And the business model canvas looks something like this. And it has about 9 categories, really looking to help you understand what the business and the idea and the product will look like as you develop. So you'll start with the ideas you have now, generally starting from the problem category or the customer category. So again, thinking about who are you solving it for and who's the customer. Then you want to talk with customers through questionnaires or just observations to understand the general idea and industry for your idea. Then you want to look at the concept design, which will be the product or the service that you will be introducing and developing. This will allow you to understand all the benefits that it needs to provide and what the potential costs may be. So now you can start to get actionable data for your new business, new concept, new product. And to do that, you can go through three levels, and at each level you're testing with your customers, your potential users, to get that validation and to understand if this is something that you want to introduce to the marketplace, and if it is, what it exactly looks like for the customer to use and pay for it. So in those 3 levels is the paper prototype, the visual functional prototype, or the minimal viable product. So on the paper prototype, what you're looking to do is simply draw out or have it on the computer in some way, or on paper physically, to interact with what the new product will potentially look like. So for a product, it could be drawings. For a new service, it could be facilitating that contract, or having that marketing material available and seeing how many people who actually call. So a visual functional prototype can be having a product that can actually function slightly, do some of the actions that is going to be needed on the full function and full feature product. And then again, get feedback and test that with users and potential customers. Then you have enough information to create a minimal viable product, which is a product that is good enough for us, maybe a private set of users or small public set of users, and this needs a few updates to refine for a larger set of customers. And that's how you will develop your idea through a business canvas, looking at what's the problem in the customer, what's the problem you're solving, the customer you're solving it for, asking those questions and observing, looking at the concept design, what's the product, service, or process that you want to introduce and what it looks like, and testing that with users at 3 levels of a prototype, a visual functioning prototype, and a minimal viable product. Then you have enough information to begin introducing new products and talking with potential customers and maybe even investors in the future. Thank you.